Best days to trade Forex. Hey everyone, and welcome back to IFC Markets YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the best days to trade Forex. What is Forex? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the market where currencies are traded. It's the largest financial market in the world, with trillions of dollars traded every day. Why is it important to choose the right days to trade Forex? Not all days are created equal when it comes to Forex trading. Some days are more volatile than others, meaning that currency prices move more sharply. This can create more opportunities for profit, but it also means that losses can be greater if your trades go against you. Best days to trade Forex. Generally speaking, the best days to trade Forex are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. These days see the highest trading volume and volatility, as traders from all over the world participate in the market. Monday. Monday is typically the slowest day of the week for Forex trading. This is because many traders are still winding down from the weekend and waiting for the market to get going. As a result, volatility tends to be lower on Mondays. Friday. Friday can also be a slow day for Forex trading, as traders start to close their positions for the weekend. However, volatility can sometimes be higher on Fridays, as traders react to news events or economic data releases. Which day is the best to trade Forex? It really depends on your trading style and risk tolerance. If you're looking for the highest volatility and most trading opportunities, then Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are the best days to trade. If you're a more conservative trader, you may want to avoid trading on Mondays and Fridays. Tips for trading Forex. Choose the right broker. There are many different Forex brokers out there, so it's important to choose one that is reputable and regulated. Develop a trading plan. A trading plan will help you to stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive trades. Use risk management. It's important to risk only a small percentage of your capital on each trade. Be patient. Forex trading takes time and practice to master. Don't expect to get rich quick. Conclusion. So, there you have it. The best days to trade Forex are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. However, it's important to note that volatility can vary on a day-to-day basis, so it's always important to do your own research before trading. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Forex trading tips and advice.